Welcome to Gurukul Live Lectures in the special segment of Symbolic Expression by Ms. Manisha Sharma. Today we are going to talk on effective stress management techniques. The 7 methods of stress management omitting social support are as follows. The first is deep breathing. Deep breathing is a straightforward yet effective stress management strategy. Stress makes us breathe more quickly and shallow, which adds to our emotions of tension and worry. Exercises that deepen the breathing can help combat this by triggering the body's relaxation response. We need to locate a peaceful area where you can comfortably sit or lie down so that you can practice deep breathing. With your eyes closed, inhale slowly and deeply through your nose. Feel your belly rise as you fill your lungs with air. After a few periods of holding your breath, carefully allow any tension out of your body by exhaling through your mouth. Several go through this process, paying attention to each breath and allowing yourself to unwind more fully with each exhalation. The second is exercise. Engaging in physical activity is a great strategy to lower the stress and enhance the general well-being. Regular exercise lowers the stress hormone levels in the body and release endorphins, which are natural mood enhancers. There are different ways to exercise, such as walking, running, cycling, swimming, dancing, and engaging in sports. You will find enjoyment and include it in your routine schedule on a very regular basis. To experience the benefits of reduced stress, aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. The third most important is mindful meditation. In the mindful meditation, you focus on the current moment without passing any judgment. It enables you to develop a calm awareness that enables you to examine your thoughts and emotions without becoming sucked into it. Find a calm area, get into a comfortable seat, and begin your mindful meditation. Focus on your breath by closing your eyes and paying attention to the sensation of each inhalation and exhalation. Encourage your focus to return to the breath whenever your thoughts stray. Regular practices can actually eventually help you feel less stressed and become more self-aware, and also become better at handling different situations while maintaining your cool. The next is your progressive muscle relaxation. This particular technique, gradually tensing and then relaxing various muscle groups in the body. By doing this, you can encourage complete physical relaxation and reduce the stress-related muscle tension. Locate a peaceful, cozy area to start. Take a big breath in the hold it and for a few seconds while tensing a particular muscle group. Like your hands and then release it as you exhale. Repeat the exercise with your arms, shoulder, face, abdomen and legs before moving on to the rest of your muscles. You will develop a better sense of relaxation as you routinely practice progressive muscle relaxation, which will also improve your ability to relieve the tension. The next is your time management. The stress reduction and maintaining a sense of control over your life depend on effective time management. It is very simple to get stressed out and concerned when you feel overburdened with the duties and responsibilities. You can prioritize the chorus, make some realistic goals, and set aside time for leisure and relaxation by putting the time management principles into practice. Create a to-do list or use a planner to group up your projects and assign them a priority depending on their significance and timeliness. Larger jobs should be divided into smaller, easier to handle segments. Learn to say no to some extra commitments that can overwhelm you and learn to delegate the duties when it is possible. You may achieve a balance, lessen your stress, and boost your productivity by managing your time well. The sixth is your health lifestyle decisions. Adopting a healthy lifestyle lays a strong basis for the stress management. Neglecting our physical well-being can result in higher stress levels. Better stress management can be facilitated by eating a balanced diet, getting the adequate sleep, reducing the caffeine and alcohol use, quitting the smoking, and abstaining from excessive drug use. The nutrients required for optimum energy levels and brain function can be obtained from a balanced diet that is high in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. The ability to rest and regenerate while sleeping well increases the stress resistance. Limiting your intake of alcohol and caffeine can also help you manage your mood and sleep cycles. And of course, it is very critical to abstain from smoking and excessive drug use, since they put the body under additional strain and have detrimental long-term health repercussions. The next is your relaxation techniques. Using relaxation techniques is crucial for controlling the stress. You may relax, relieve the tension, and cultivate a sense of peace by using a variety of relaxation techniques. Indulging in creative hobbies, spending time in the nature, taking a warm bath, listening to relaxation music, reading a good book, or practicing yoga or Tai Chi are a few examples of relaxation practices. Find the pursuits that make you feel happy, peaceful, and at peace with your own self. Utilizing the relaxation techniques on a regular basis can also help in managing the stress, improve your emotional health, and enhance your overall quality of life. By adopting these stress reduction practices into your daily routine, you can develop powerful coping mechanisms to handle the stress and improve your general well-being. It's vital to keep in mind that it could take time and experimentation to find the ideal set of approaches that work for you. Furthermore, if stress becomes unbearable or persists despite your efforts to manage it on your own, you may seek some expert assistance. Next, we talk about stress management in different age groups, children, teens, and adults. Because people at different phases of life confront different stressors and have a different coping mechanisms. Stress management strategies can change based on the age group. An introduction of stress management for kids, for teens and adults is as follows. The first is for youngsters. The children may become stressed out for a variety of reasons, including school, family problems, peer pressure, and schedule changes. For kids, useful stress reduction methods are transparent interaction. Encourage the kids to voice their emotions and worries. Create a welcoming, judgment-free environment where they can feel comfortable talking about their difficulties. Play and creative outlets. Involve the kids in the activities that enable them to be imaginations like painting, drawing, playing with toys. They can process their feelings and decompress through the play. The next is your healthy routines. Establish regular meal times, regular sleep schedules, and a well-balanced schedule that includes time to play, time to leisure, and time to homework. The structure and consistency can actually lessen the stress amongst the kids. Encourage kids to participate in age-appropriate physical activities like sports, outdoor play, and exercise releases endorphins, lower the stress levels, and also elevate the mood. Teaching coping mechanisms. When kids feel overwhelmed, teach them how to take a deep breath, count to 10, or take a break. Encourage positive and self-talk and help them recognize and combat the negative beliefs. Now we talk about teenagers. Yes, we are talking about how the teenagers can cope up with their reduction of stress levels. Due to academic pressures, social interactions, hormonal changes, and the transition to maturity, the teenagers confront particular stressors. The teenage stress reduction strategies, the first is your peer support. Encourage youngsters to form a wholesome friendships and look to reliable peers for support. Having supportive social networks during the stressful times might give one a comfort and validation. Encourage the youth to have a healthy lifestyle by encouraging them for a regular exercise, enough sleep, and eating a balanced diet, and refrain from abusing substance excessively. These routines will promote their general well-being and aid in stress management. Then is your stress relieving exercise to help the teenagers unwind and manage the stress. Introduce them to relaxation practices like deep breathing, mindfulness and yoga. The next is your seeking assistance. Help the kids understand when stress becomes unbearable and when it could not be useful to ask for assistance from the adults and in the family, which includes the parents, teachers and counselors. So these were the important techniques to be handled to calm down the stress in the teenagers. Thank you very much.